Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If A and B are positive integers, so that A over B equals to 0.48. If 150 less than B less than 200, what is the value of A positive B? Okay, using the given information, we have to get the value of this expression A positive B. Okay, now let me take this stuff, that is A over B equals to 0.48. Okay, A over B equals to, we can write this decimal as a fraction. Since we have two digits to the right of the decimal point, it can be written as 48 over 100. Okay, now we can simplify this fraction. The greatest common divisor for numerator and denominator is 4. That is, 4 goes into 48 12 times and 4 goes into 100 25 times. So that is a ratio of A over B equals to 12 over 25. Okay, from this ratio, if I want to get the actual value of A, the actual value of B, I have to multiply the terms of the ratio over here by the same non-zero number, say x. Okay, here the number corresponding to A in this ratio is 12 and the number corresponding to B is 25. Now to get the actual value of A, we have to multiply this number 12 by the non-zero number x, that is 12x is the value of A. Now to get the actual value of B, we have to multiply this 25 by the same non-zero number x, then we get 25x. Actually, our aim is to get the value of this expression A positive B. Okay, let me write over here. And here we have the value of A in terms of x, that is 12x. We can plug in this 12x for A. And we can plug in this 25x for B over here. Then we get 25x over here. A positive B equals to, when I add 12x and 25x, I am getting 37x. Okay, here almost I got the value of this expression A positive B in terms of x, that is 37x. Once I get the value of this unknown x, I can plug in over here and it can be multiplied by 37 to get the exact value of this expression A positive B. Okay, how do you have to get the value of x? For that, we can consider the inequality we have over here for the value of B. Okay, now let me write that inequality over here. That is 150 less than B less than 200. Okay, here 150. We have the value for B, that is 25x. We can plug in this 25x for B over here. Then I'm getting 25x less than 200. Now to solve for x in this inequality, I have to divide all the three terms over here by this number 25. Okay, let me do it. Okay, here divided by 25, here divided by 25. Okay, when I divide this 150 by 25, I'm getting 6 less than this 25 will cancel. I'm getting x over here. When I divide this 200 by 25, I'm getting 8. Okay, here I got the value of x as an inequality. Okay, now let's consider this particular piece of information. That is A and B are positive integers. So that is B is a positive integer and we got the value of B over here as 25 times x. Since B is a positive integer, then this x also must be a positive integer, so that when it is multiplied by 25, it will be a positive integer. So now it's clear the value of x has to be a positive integer. Now we have to consider positive integer between 6 and 8. There is only one positive integer between 6 and 8, that is 7. Therefore, the value of x is 7. Okay, now we got the value of x. We can plug in this 7 for x over here to get the value of A positive B. So that is A positive B equals to 37 times 7. Okay, A positive B equals to, when I multiply this 37 by 7, I am getting 259. Okay, here I got the value of this expression A positive B. So the value of A positive B is 259.